In this video, we're going to be learning how to set up Celery for background task in Django application. Okay, so in this part, I have already generated a Django project for you. If you don't know how to generate a Django project, just run this command. Start project, and now I give the app name like app or something. Okay, it will just generate the project, and you can get into and open like this. Okay, so this is how the application is created, and I have to create an app inside it. Okay, so for that I have to run the command. Let me first get into my environment. Okay, now I'm on my environment. Okay, so let's run. Okay, so now it will start this app inside the Django project. Okay, now it has generated the app. Okay, now let's see how to set up Celery to work with this Django application. Okay, to set up Redis, we have to first download the Redis for Windows application. For Windows, we can just download it from this URL. Okay, this GitHub repository, you can download it from here. Okay, so you can download any version of it. I would suggest going with this latest one. Okay, let's for Linux users, you can just go here and first let's update this. Okay, first update this. After that, install Redis using this command. Okay, you get install Redis server. Okay, in my case I have already installed it, so it is not showing anything. Okay, so after that you have to start the Redis server. Okay, so for that you have to okay, now we have started the Redis server in the Linux backend. Okay, so let's test this out. For this, you have to run Redis CLI ping. Okay, now it will return this form. That means your application is the Redis installation is perfectly fine. Okay, so this is how you have to install this on Redis. Install Redis on this Linux based systems. Okay, so let's continue on this one. In my case, I have already set up that the directory. So let me create a new terminal. Okay, so let me change the directory to Redis. Okay, I have extracted it. So to run the Redis server in Windows, you can just start this with Windows configuration. Okay, this is the Windows configuration. So if you click on this button, it will start running on the port 6379. Okay, so this is how it will start working. So let's clear this out. So to use this Redis with Celery, we have to first install Celery in our application. Okay, so let's install it. It has installed the Celery. So now what we have to do is we have to go to the settings and add these two variables. Okay, so these are the two variables, Celery broker URL and the result backend. Okay, so you have to add it in this application. So let's add it in the bottom. So these are the URLs. So this means this Redis that's running on the localhost on 6379 on the port. Okay, so these two variables will be used in our Celery application. Okay, so now we have to add a Celery file on this application. Okay, so for that we have to do in Celery dot file. Okay, so it has created a application. So we have to add a code to this one. Okay, so let's add it. from Celery. So now we have to add my app settings. Since the name of application is my app, we have to add this one. Okay. So now we have to add a app variable for Celery. Okay. App to in my case it is my app. Okay. So this is the application. Okay. Now let's add config to this application. Config from object. And set namespace to okay. So dot to discover tasks. Okay. Now it will discover tasks automatically. Okay, from the task.py application that we're going to be adding in this application. Okay. Now let's set up the Django application from the ground up. Okay. So let me create a sample application. Let's say request home.html. Okay, so let it be there. We have to create the settings. I think we have to change the directory files to look for templates. Okay, so let's add it. Sorry. Okay, now we have to add it in here. Okay, I have to import the OS. Okay, now we have imported the OS. Okay, let's close this out. Now we have to create template for this one. Okay, so templates. Sorry, templates. Okay, so since this is a sample application, I just go with this basic HTML. Okay, so I'll go with this template. So let's add contact home. Okay. Home. Okay. So now let's create this. We have to add URLs for this one. Okay, let's add URLs. Let's copy config from this URL one. Okay. Okay. So now we have to add home in here. And name. Sorry. Name to home. Okay. So, in this one we have to add this. Okay, now let's test this application. Okay, now it is the home is working fine. Okay, so let's test this out. Okay, from time import sleep. Okay, sleep for so it will sleep for 5 seconds. Okay, so this is because we have to simulate a long running task in the background. Okay, so let's test this out. So if I refresh this, it will run, and for after 5 seconds the page will be reload again. Okay, as you see here, it has waited and it has reload the task. Okay, so now it is running sleep. It has sleep for 5 seconds, and after that it has loaded this page. Okay, so we are now going to pass this task to this background Celery. Okay, so let's create a task file. This is the file is responsible for managing tasks inside that we are going to be using inside this application. Okay, so now let's move on to the tasks. Okay, so from Celery import shared task. Okay, we are going to be creating a shared task for this one. Okay, so shared task. Sorry, bind to true. Okay, that's enough, I think. So let's create a task. Long. This is a sample task. Okay, task. Okay, class cell. So let's add the sleep. Okay, sleep for 10 seconds. Let's import this. Okay, so we have added the sleep. Okay, sleep in here. Let's print this so that we could see the progress on the Celery dashboard, Celery terminal. Okay, so so this is a process that we gonna get in this. Okay, so as you see previously, I have added 10 seconds in here so that we could see how it works. Okay, so let's we have to remove this one, and for that, so instead of adding the task directly in here, we have to add this task. Okay, so that means long, because we have to import the task in here. Let's import that. Okay, now we have to run using the following command. Okay, okay, now we have started this, and in order to make it work, we have to run Celery in the background. Okay, for that you have to open a new terminal. Okay, like this, and let me delete this one. So let's we have activated this. So you have to run this command, okay, celery -a my app celery worker -l. Okay, you have to run this command. Okay, it is giving us an error in here. Let's try installing Redis in here. I think we have forgot to install Redis. Okay, so let's install Redis. Yes, that's the error. Okay, let's see. Redis is installed. So let's run this again. Now this time it has started this one. Okay, as you see here, and I think our task is identified by this one. Okay, this long running task it identified as long running task in here, and it is running in the background. Okay, now let's test it out. It has to print this one, and it will load the site automatically very faster like this. Okay, let's refresh this. Okay, I just found out what went wrong. Okay, so what you have to do is in this init file. Okay, in this my app there is a file called init file. Just we have to import this, run this. We have to add this line of code. Okay, we have to insert app from the Celery in here so that it could consume inside the application. Okay, so now if I stop this. Okay, so we started from the beginning. Okay, so Redis is running in there, and it has started the worker. Okay, so now if I for this we have given 10 seconds time, so it has to it has to delay for 10 seconds. Okay, it has to wait for 10 seconds. After that it has to load the application, but let's see if it is working. So if I refresh this, it will refresh and like after that. Okay, like this. Okay, if you see it in here, it has started this process. As you see here, we have added this. Since we have run the refresh for multiple times, it has started the task for multiple times. Okay, so it has completed this, and if you see it in here, it has completed in 10 seconds. Okay, that means we have given this 10 seconds, but it has loaded the application within a second itself. Okay, as soon as we refresh this, we could run this application, and doesn't wait for the task to complete. Okay, so this is how the Celery backend works. Hope it helps. Okay, thank you.